Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear brother and sister, in this video I will discuss a very urgent issue, namely the global food crisis. This crisis has not only affected much of the world, but has also underpinned the life of millions of people. In my speech today, I will talk about the main problem we face, the solution we can implement, and start a local food diversity movement as an important step to overcome this crisis. Global food crisis problem. A food crisis is a situation where the food supply is insufficient to meet the basic food needs of the population of an area. In recent years, we have seen an increase in the number of food crises around the world. Factors such as extreme climate change, drought, flood, and economic instability have exacerbated this situation. Hunger is not only a humanitarian problem but also a health problem. Malnutrition children experience growth and development problems which can disrupt their future. Apart from hunger, the food crisis also causes social and political conflict. As food resources become increasingly scarce, people compete for them, which can lead to conflict and tension. Food crisis can also trigger mass migration as people look for a better life elsewhere. One of the main impacts of the food crisis is hunger. Millions of people around the world do not have access to enough food, and many of them are children. Hunger is not only a humanitarian problem, but also a health problem. Malnutrition children experience growth and development problems which can disrupt the future. Solution to the global food crisis. What do we need to do to overcome the threat of a food crisis? First, increase food production. In the long run, we need to increase food production in a sustainable manner. This includes investment in sustainable agriculture and innovative agriculture technology. We must improve food security. This means developing stronger and more sustainable agriculture system, increasing food production, and reducing food waste. Apart from that, we also need to reduce the impact of climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Second, increasing food access. Government and non-governmental organizations must work together to ensure that every individual has sufficient and affordable access to quality food. We need to increase access to food for underprivileged people. Food assistance program and community projects must be set up to ensure that everyone has access to sufficient food. Third, promotion of local agriculture. One important solution is to encourage local agriculture. The local food diversity movement is key to overcoming this crisis. We need to work together as a global community. The food crisis is a global problem that requires international cooperation. Countries must work together to address this problem, share resources and technology, and profit support to the countries most affected. By supporting local farmers, we can achieve several important goals. 1. Food security. Local agriculture creates a strong food security system, reducing dependence on food imports that are vulnerable to external disturbance. 2. Food diversity. Local agriculture promotes food diversity, which is important for providing nutritious food and creating sustainable agriculture system. 3. Reduction of environmental impact. Local production has a smaller environmental footprint than long-distance food import, helping to reduce environmental damage. 4. Local community empowerment. Supporting local agriculture also empower local community, create jobs, and improves their welfare. Step to deal with the global food crisis. 1. Public education. It is important to educate the public about the importance of local food diversity and its impact on the global food crisis. 2. Government support. The government must provide incentive to local farmers, including affordable financing, training, and regulation that support sustainable agriculture. 3. International cooperation. Cooperation between countries is the key to solving this problem. Together, we can share resources and knowledge to improve global food security. Dear brother and sister, the global food crisis is a complex and urgent challenge. However, with collective action, including supporting local food diversity movement, we can make significant progress in overcoming this crisis. In dealing with the threat of a food crisis, we must not forget the importance of education about sustainable agriculture, food security, and the importance of conserving natural resources must be part of our effort. The food crisis is a real threat, but we have the ability to overcome it if we work together. We must not ignore this problem to protect our future and that of future generations. Let's work together to create a world where everyone has sufficient and quality access to food so that we can overcome the global food crisis and create a more sustainable and equitable future for all. That's all my speech about the threat of a food crisis. Let's use unit in our effort to address this issue and create a more sustainable and just world. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.